Only two students are participating. Other are not present. Only one more, three students. Only three. प्रचार में आप लोग को दिया जा रहा है, पहले भी सस्ते दाम में आप लोग को दिया जा रहा है, सारे वक्त ओके दिया जा रहा है, 100 रुपए में 5 वर्ष कंपनी प्रचार में सारे। Dear students, we are already discussed first chapter already started now. Yes. Hello. Yeah. Your first chapters, computer language, we are already discussed. In this chapter, we are discuss about language, programmer, types of computers. Types of computer language, generation of computer language already. Generation of language already discussed. Yes. Yes or not? Yeah. Already fifth generation completed. So now I will discuss about translator. What topic today I will discuss? Translator. Okay. Okay. What do you mean by translator? What do you mean by translator? We are already know about translate. Translate means convert one language to another language. Understood? Convert one language to another language means translator or language processors. Translator or language processor convert the instructions into machine language. Convert the instruction into machine language, because what is the work of translator? Translator change the language, one language to another language. So here in computer, translator change the language in machine language. Understood? Understood? Yes. Means translator or language processor convert your instructions into machine language. So this technique is known as translator. Okay. After converting the machine language, your computer will understood. Your computer will be understood according to your language. Understood? Any problem? Yes. Yeah. Good. Next points. So, according to the usage, translators, three types of translators. How many types of translators? Very good. Yes. First is assembler, second is compiler, and third is interpreters. Okay? Okay? Yes. Assembler. Here one type's name is assembler. What do you mean by assembler? All are the types of translator. So all work translate, convert one language to another language. So assembler is also a translator, also a types of translator. It converts assembly language program into machine language. Any problem? Any problem? Yes. Assembler Assembler is a translator. It converts assembly language program into machine language, because your computer learn only machine language na. So assembly language translator convert into machine language. Okay, then your computer will be understood. So this translator is known as assembler translator. Understood? Any problem? Yes. Yes. So look here. How to we convert one more? Look here. Yes. All of you looking? All of you seen? Yes. This is assembly language program. Assembly language program. When it's input, then assembler is used for the converting the conversion of conversion by assembler means it convert our language into machine language. Any problem? Okay. Next points. One more points. The program written in assembly language or high level language, it is called source code. It is called source code. When we will write any program in assembly language or high level language, when we will write any program in assembly language or high level language, then this is called source code. Okay, what is called source code? Okay. Yes. And after writing it convert in machine language with the help of translator, then it is called object code. What is source code? The program written in assembly language or high level language is called source code. Okay? Yes. Okay, source code. And what do you mean by object code? The program convert into machine language. The program convert into machine language with the help of translator. It is called object code. Any problem? Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. जब हम बीच में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं एनी प्रॉब्लम नो सर और यस सर बोलते हैं तो इससे हमको पता चलता है कि आप लोग क्लास में अटेंड हैं. कितने स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं कि जो नहीं बोलते हैं हम समझ जाते हैं कि वो क्लास में अटेंड नहीं है. ओके. यस. सो during questions when we will I will ask, then you will say yes or no. Okay. Yeah. Next point is compiler. What do you mean by compiler? All these are the parts of the translators. So compiler is the second part of our translator. Okay. Okay. So compiler is a language translator program. Compiler is a language translator program which convert high level language program into machine language. है ना? High level language program into machine language. असेंबलर क्या काम करता था? असेंबली लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम को मशीन लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करता था. बट कंपाइलर हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज प्रोग्राम को किस में कन्वर्ट करेगा? मशीन लैंग्वेज में. ओके. ओके. So what do you mean by compiler? A compiler is a language translator program which convert a high level language program into machine language. Okay. So it translate entire program into machine language at once as soon as all syntax error are removed. So it takes less time to compiler machine code. It takes very less times. Okay, so next point, and so how to be convert? So here written, look here, look here. Compiler high level language program convert into convert by the compiler, and in which language they will convert? Machine language. Understood? Yes. Good. Next topics, interpreter. What do you mean by interpreter? Unlike a compiler, an interpreter translate a program line by line. Translate a program line by line. It takes up one a statement of high level language at a time. Translate it means compiler also translate high level language into machine level language. Okay, but compiler translate one by one, but but interpreters convert line by line. Understood? Yes, it is a major differences between them. So it takes up one a statement of high level language at a time. One statement means one sentence, one line. Okay, translate it, then execute their instructions. So interpreter repeats the same procedure until the last statement is translate into machine language. Means interpreter convert line by line, and it takes very less times according to the compiler. Okay, because compiler translate one by one, but interpreter converts line by line, so it is more better. Okay, any problem? All of you understood? Yes, very good. Uh, trans- what is the differences between compiler or interpreter? Compiler is also convert, also translate high level language into machine level language program. Okay, an interpreter also convert high level language into machine level language, but interpreter compiler one by one translate, but interpreter convert line by line, translate line by line. Understood? Okay, so now write about the translator. Write down. All of you ready? All of you ready? Yes, right. What is translator? What is translator? All of you have book now? Okay, anyone show me? Anyone show me book? कोई दिखाइएगा, कहाँ है बुक? थोड़ा सा दिखाइएगा उसको. ओके, ठीक है. Right question. What is translator? How many types of translator? How many types of translator? Explain each types. Explain each types. है ना, बुक में दिया हुआ है ना आप लोग का? क्या? अच्छा, नहीं दिया हुआ है तो हम लिखवाएंगे, ठीक है? ओके, या राइट डाउन, आई विल से, ओके, रेडी, ओके। व्हाट इज ट्रांसलेटर? राइट डाउन। ट्रांसलेटर लिख के आप लोग डैश दीजिएगा, ओके। A translator or a language processor. A translator or a language processor a translator or a language processor converts the converts the instructions into a machine language to make it a computer understandable language. To make it a computer understandable language. Okay? Okay. हाँ बोलिए। Written. To make it a computer under a stable language. Under a stable language. ओके, अब उसके नीचे लिखिएगा, उसके नीचे लिखिएगा ट्रांसलेटर, और लिख करके नीचे एक एरो डाल के तीन ऐसे कीजिएगा, और उसमें तीन इस तरह से लिखिएगा, देखिए इस तरह से, ठीक है? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड? ओके, राइट डाउन, राइट ऑल टाइप्स। All of you written? Now write about assembler. First, assembler. assembler लिख के डैश दीजिएगा। An assembler translate the assembly language program. An assembler translate the assembly language program into machine language program. Into machine language program. Machine language program, which can be understood by the processor. Understood by the processor. All of you written. Which can be understood by the processor. Mohit Kumar, are you present? Mohit, MD Sahada, good. One is Christinia, whose name Khushi, are you present? Okay, good. Are you written about written? Okay, very good. So now create diagram. This diagram, everyone note it. All of you seen? Write in. Next, next question. Second tabs compiler. Write about compiler. Okay. Second tab's name compiler. Yes. A compiler is language translator. It's the entire programs. It translates the entire program into machine language, into machine language at once, at once, written. फिर से बोलें. Okay, okay. A compiler is a language translator program. A compiler is a language translator program which converts a high level language program into machine language, which converts high level language program into machine language. Okay? Yes. Full stop. Full stop. It translates the entire program. It translates the entire program into into machine language at once, at once. Okay. कॉमा, at once के बाद कॉमा, as all syntax error are removed. All syntax error are removed. Full stop. Removed. Full stop. It takes less time. It takes less time to compile machine code. To compile machine code. To compile machine